open what we got today of white shoes. Open it, you can see there's a white paper print of white with black logos. This is the shoes we're going to here show you. Open the shoes box. Now let me show you what we got in hands. The shoes, it's a white receipt. The dust bag have a white words on it printed under the green bag. You can see the green bag, dust bag. The first time seeing about the shoe. Okay, here. Cool design about this. You can try here. Let me show you. Seems very cool shoes. Shoes tools here. The stitching and mat here. And there's a shoes lace in white colorways. The worst shoes lace is on the shoe lace tips. The shoe tongue here seems pink colorways. Panels are printed off OFF. It's very cool colorways on the shoe tongue here. Very beautiful. And look at the side. The grip is like the suede material. Okay. White brand logos. Here is a transparent. Here the blue panels see. Okay. It also looks just very cool. So design, special looking, and so the in front. So time here. Okay. Closer look at on this. Okay. Check the inside. Both pairs. The infants just sing left once again. Okay. Let's look at on the back. Have the heel, the protect of white. Okay. Now let's touch on the also. It's hard. Yeah. Mascot, the buttons. See. Okay. The inside track. Here is the insole. Still have the white logos in white colorways. See, so beautiful. Okay, and now zooms check. Just the exactly same. Yeah. Both shoes. Have any interest on the shoes? Just let me know. Okay, just email me or send me WhatsApp message for more items you want. Okay, thanks for this watching and see you guys soon. Bye.